Hello, I'm Victor. Today we'll explore the various holidays taking place on April 27. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Little Pampered Dog Day. National Little Pampered Dog Day is not a widely recognized or official holiday. However, it is possible that you are referring to a day dedicated to celebrating and pampering pets, particularly small dogs. There are several pet-related holidays throughout the year, including National Love Your Pet Day, February 20th, and National Pet Day, April 11th, which encourage pet owners to show extra love and attention to their furry companions. On such days, pet owners may pamper their pets with special treats, grooming sessions, extended playtime, or even new toys. These days serve as a reminder to appreciate the companionship and joy pets bring into our lives and the importance of responsible pet ownership. National Prime Rib Day. National Prime Rib Day is celebrated annually on April 27th in the United States. This informal food holiday is dedicated to honoring and enjoying prime rib, a popular and tender cut of beef that comes from the primal rib section of the animal. Prime rib, also known as a standing rib roast, is often slow roasted and served with various side dishes, making it a favorite choice for special occasions and festive meals. On National Prime Rib Day, meat lovers and food enthusiasts across the country indulge in their favorite prime rib dishes, whether prepared at home or enjoyed at a restaurant. The day serves as an opportunity for people to enjoy this delicious cut of beef, share recipes and cooking tips, and appreciate the culinary experience of a well-prepared prime rib meal. National Tell a Story Day. National Tell a Story Day is celebrated annually on April 27th in the United States. This informal holiday encourages people to share stories with one another, whether they are personal anecdotes, tales from their culture or family, or fictional narratives. The art of storytelling is an ancient human tradition that has played a crucial role in preserving history, passing on knowledge, and fostering connections between generations. On National Tell a Story Day, people are encouraged to share stories with their friends, family members, or in organized events such as storytelling sessions, open mic nights, or writing workshops. National Tell a Story Day serves as a reminder of the importance and power of storytelling in human culture. By sharing stories, we can entertain, teach, and connect with others on a deeper level, building empathy, understanding, and community. Free Feral Cat Spay Day. Free Feral Cat Spay Day is a special day organized by animal welfare organizations and shelters to help control the population of feral cats. The day typically involves offering free spay/neuter services for feral cats, which are cats that are not socialized to humans and often live in outdoor colonies. The goal of Free Feral Cat Spay Day is to prevent the overpopulation of feral cats and reduce the number of cats living on the streets or in shelters. By spaying and neutering these cats, the risk of more feral kittens being born is reduced, and the cats are less likely to fight or exhibit other negative behaviors. Overall, Free Feral Cat Spay Day is an important effort to promote the welfare of feral cats and reduce their impact on the environment and other animals. International Donor Conception Awareness Day. International Donor Conception Awareness Day is observed annually on April 27. A day that aims to raise awareness about the issue of donor conception, which is the process of conceiving a child using donated sperm, eggs, or embryos. The purpose of International Donor Conception Awareness Day is to promote understanding and support for families who have used donor conception to build their families, as well as to raise awareness about the challenges and complexities of this process. The day also serves to highlight the rights of donor-conceived individuals and to promote openness and transparency in the use of donor gametes. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.